Congratulations to signing up for this basic dowsing course where I get to teach you the foundation of what it's like to work with a pendulum. I want you to know that if you are expecting to work with L rods like these, we are not going to be working with L rods in this course. We're also not going to be working with Y rods in this course. This course is strictly for setting the foundation to working with a pendulum in the correct way. You are going to be learning how to clean this pendulum in the proper way, how to charge this pendulum in the proper way, and how to program this pendulum so that you are tapping into the entraining forces of Mother Nature. We want to work with the forces that are already here. All you need to do is learn how to tap into the right forces and then make those forces work for you by knowing how to apply this tool in the right way. By the way, for those of you that think that this is voodoo or this is magic or this is evil, it is not. It is just a tool that is stuck on a string, and that is an extension, an outward extension for our energy to travel through the arm, down our fingers, down this chain into this tool, to giving us an answer that is already located within us. This is simply an external visual aid to showing you what's already there. That's all it is. And I want to teach you how to use this tool so that you are going to know the right answers to your questions so that you can save time. So congratulations for being here. Let's move on to the first lesson where we're going to get right into the material of this course.